Good afternoon. I apologize for my voice. I'm a little bit sick today. This tutorial will cover the fourth concept from Unit 6, which is partitioning a line segment. So this first page is the notes that we took today. So partitioning a line segment is to partition. It means to divide the line segment in the given ratio. The two numbers in the ratio must add together to equal the total number of pieces. Second to get that written down. Okay, so what that means is basically what we're doing is we're just dividing up a line into parts, and it'll be written like this, 3 to 2, or you might see it as a colon, 3 to 2, and what it is you add up these two numbers, and that gives you the total number of parts. As you see here, there's 5 parts here, 5 parts here, 5 parts there. And so for this one, it's in the ratio 3 to 2. So you put point P where it's going to divide it into a ratio of 3 to 2. So wherever you put point P, it's going to make it so that there's 3 segments on the left side of P and 2 segments on the right side. So 3 to 2 is going to go right there, P. So there's 1, 2, 3 segments on the left side of P, 1, 2 segments on the right side. So 3 to 2. AB is divided by P in a ratio of 3 to 2. Okay, so here we want a ratio of 1 to 4. It's the same total, 5. Same total there, 5. Okay, so this time we want 1 segment on the left side of P and 4 on the right. So we're going to put it right here. So P, so there's 1 on the left side, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, so think of point B as being where the 2 is. Okay, and this one, so we're going to have the left point P will be right here. The left side of point P will have 2. The right side will have 3. So 1, 2, so point P will be right here. Okay, now on this next part, wants to determine the ratio of the directed line segment AB when partitioned by point 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, so 3 total parts. So we know that 3 is going to be right here. What that means that these are going to total up to 3. So whatever we end up putting here and here will be here and here. Okay, so as you can see, P, just like we did up here, there was 3 and then 2. So if we look at it like this, how many segments are on the left side of P? 1. How many are on the right side? 2. So it would be 1 plus 2 equals 3. So P is in a ratio of 1 to 2. Okay, same thing there. This time there's 5. How many on the left side of P? 1, 2 segments. How many are on the right side? 1, 2, 3. So it'd be 2 plus 3 equals 5. So it'd be a ratio of 2 to 3. And last one, there's going to be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. P is going to be right here. So there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 segments and 1 segment. 5 plus 1 equals 6, so we have 5 to 6. That. Okay. So down below, these are instructions on how to partition a segment on a coordinate plane. This is one way that you can do it, and you'll have this to refer to, but I would rather you try to do it a different way because it's a little easier. So if you come up to the back, I've already got these graphed. So if you haven't already graphed the examples on the back, go ahead and pause the video and take a second to do that. Okay. All right, so what we do is there's a couple ways to do this. But what I want you to do is I want you to find first, I want you to find the horizontal and the vertical distance between A and B and write it down like I'm about to do. So right there. You're basically going to make what's going to look like a right triangle here. Okay. All right, so the horizontal distance is going to be 1, 2, 3. The vertical distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. Okay. So what this is also the slope. Rise over run. Okay. So I want to write down this as a fraction. So 6 over 3, okay? what is it 6 over, I want you to reduce 6 over 3. So 6 over 3 reduces to 2 over 1, which as you can see is the same thing that we have in this problem right here. All right, so what there's going to be is there's going to be 3 total segments. And what we can do is the next step that you want to do, and this is what we're going to use this right here to help us, is you're going to put a dot on everywhere that this line intersects a point, okay? And you can use the slope right here to help you find these points to place these dots if you can't see it. So if you can look and just see that it's going to cross here, here, and there, or you can just go. So you go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, just like that. Okay, so now it's in a ratio 2 to 1. So we're going to put P. It becomes a problem like we had before. If you want to slide it sideways like this, as you can see, so the P will go right there. So it's 1, 2, and 1. It's the P. Just put it right there. Okay, so the answer is going to be P is going to be at 5 and 8. Like that. Okay, so the next one, let's actually do this one this way. Okay, we're going to find the vertical distance. So it looks like it's 1, 2, 3. And then the horizontal distance. Horizontal distance is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we know that there's going to be 3 total segments on here. Okay, so 9 over 3 is our slope. It's going to reduce to 3 over 1. Okay, so if we're not able to find the segments, we can just go, let's see, 3. I'm sorry, I did that backwards. So this is going to be 3 over 9. I apologize. So the slope's 3 over 9 or 1 over 3. So we're going to rise 1, run 3, rise 1, 2, 3, rise 1. So rise 1, 1, 2, 3, rise 1, 1, 2, 3, rise 1, run 3. Okay, so now we've got our points. So it's going to be in the ratio of 1 to 2, so it's going to be right there. So that's going to be, next one is going to be P, 0, negative 1, right there. P, 0, right there. Okay. Next one. All right, this is going to be all right, so now it's going to be it's going to be 4 segments. Okay. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the vertical distance is 4, horizontal distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so so it's going to be 4 over 8, which is 1 over 2. Okay, so we're going to go rise 1, run 2, rise 1, run 2. Rise 1, run 2, rise 1, run 2. So we've got there, there, and there. So it's going to be 1 to 3. So it'll be right there. So P will be negative 2, negative 2. Okay. And then finally, we're going to have here. Vertical distance. Okay, it's going to be 4 sections. Vertical distance is 1, 2, 3, 4. Horizontal distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that's 4 over 12 or 1 over 3. Okay, so we'll go rise 1, run 3. Rise 1, run 3. rise 1, run 3, rise 1, run 3. There. Okay, and so 3 to 1 is going to be right there. So that's going to be 0.5, 4. Okay, all right, so this is the notes. The next video is going to help with the home learning in case you get stuck there.